You're bidding on a Kwik-Way valve resurfacer grinder model SVSD. This item came from a government facility and was said to work. We ran a cart into this, and this thing is bent. It still goes back and forth, but that shaft has got to be addressed. You want to show the thing going back and forth, and you can see it's moving back and forth. Okay, and that turns. And this thing here, micrometer gauge, smooth. This goes back and forth. This is what it is. We're selling this item as is for parts or repair. This is we have two of these. The other one, we don't know how they work, so I'm not going to bore you with that. But this is what it is. It'll make somebody a real nice machine. What you see is what we're selling. There is no other tooling other than these few little parts here, the knobs and stuff, and the collet. This is what it is. Good luck bidding.